Hi guys, I'm Philip. So today I'm gonna teach you how to trim a circle. So let's say we do a polygon. Okay, we use a polygon to do circle. So I put 80H or make it smooth. Okay, circle here. Okay, if you want to trim it, right, you can use this function or art. Anything like you just draw only or draw on it. Okay, draw on it. Then maybe you put until somewhere here. Or roughly you know the size. Okay, and make sure this one the line are joined like this one not joined, right? So I need to draw again. Okay, so maybe I use auxiliary first, or add auxiliary, add here. Okay, add here, add one, come to here. Okay, another one, come to here. Roughly that. Okay, so I use art. Okay, like here to here. Okay, so I can trim the circle. Okay, maybe this one I give 150, enter. So here also we do the same. Okay, let me show you select the point. Okay, select the point. So here 150, enter. Okay, then I select here, delete. Okay, I can trim the circle. Okay, if this one show what? This one means the line are not joined properly, so cannot detect. So I need to draw again. In here, I use art. Okay, detect again to the end point. Yes, to the end point. Then 150. Okay, so after that I click on here, delete, or I can trim the circle. And if you want to add extend here, make it smoother, you can also do like this. Also like art. Okay, add one here, add one here. This one I give it more rounded, like a turtle, like a 8. Okay, so this one I give it 300. Okay, 300, enter. Okay, so this one, the line, you can click on it. The line can click on it. Okay, so obvious this one are not. Okay, this one. Control Z. Well, I need to, the line need to cut over it, so I need to put here a bit. Okay, a bit. Select the line. Once you can select the line, delete. I can see select the line, delete. Okay, you can delete the line. You just need to select carefully, or you can delete the line. Okay, if you cannot select carefully, you need to zoom so eventually it will change the shape. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.